Hi everyone, welcome again in my new video. It's a great pleasure to announce that Printful integration is live. This is a wonderful feature introduced in GoHighlevel. Store owner can now connect their Printful accounts with their GoHighlevel e-commerce stores. Through these integrations, now the store owners, e-commerce platform holder to their Printful store also. This is the first integrations, which has been developed and hosted by GoHighlevel. I'll show you the simple step-by-step process how it would be done. To understand this, first of all, you have to come your sub account. Under your sub account, there you will find that app marketplace. When you go your app marketplace, then you will get your Printful stores apps that is free. You have to just install these Printful apps from your app marketplace from the install button, and it is allow install. It is now authorizing your platform. Click continue. Now the platform is created in the Printful section. Now you can add your product. Now you will find your lead connector store is now active. Your connection is done. Now you have to add your product from this add product section. You can add Now you set your billing details. From the billing details, you just input your billing informations, your address, your phone number, your PIN code, all the details when it would be filled, then automatically billing method will come in front of you. The billing method, you will get the PayPal options and payment card. If you choose the PayPal option, then you have to put your PayPal payment login ID. Then automatically it will be linked, and then all the credit card, debit card details you have to fill. Now you come in your product details in your GoHighlevel, then you will get that what product you have created in your Printful account, that would be shown in your product details. Whenever it would be shown, you will put it into your e-commerce sites, and if you sell this product, then automatically total information of this product will go to the Printful websites. Then whenever the order will be placed, then the Printful authority will ship the product to the customer at their own responsibility, and you will get your profit in your account. It is cool features in GoHighlevel.